hazards due to The following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Department of Public Safety. The Austin Police Department is searching for Sailor Tucker, white, female, 1 year old, 2 feet 6 inches, 25 pounds, brown hair, brown eyes, last seen wearing a teal shirt and teal mermaid shorts. The child was last seen in the 4700 block of White Elm, Connecticut, Austin, TX on August 23, 2022 at 8 p.m. Suspect is unknown. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Austin Police Department at 512-974-5250. News media point of contact is Austin Police Department at 512-974-5250.